And what powers all of this? The VTT formula: value, trust, traffic. That's the engine behind the system. You deliver value that shifts the mind. You earn trust through consistency and clarity. You drive traffic with intentional visibility. Remember this. If you remember this, your videos will finally start working for you. That's how the 1% VVS system works. It's not a trend, it's a machine built to turn your message into momentum. When you stack value with strategic video and you build it to scale, you don't just get more likes. You get paid, you get positioned, you get powerful.